Alright, it's we're getting ready to go outside and checking my time. It's 10:03 a.m. and it's supposed to be 20 degrees. So woo, freaking bright and snowy. So just gonna put that down. Let me show you what I'm dealing with here. Look at that snow. We're gonna have to go clean the car. It's actually more windy than this morning. So I'll get my shovel, but just to show you real quick before. That's my car buried. We're gonna try to get this RX out, and look at that. That's pretty high here. Let me show you. It's freaking cold. So that's what I have to dig out. I don't know if you can see here. I have to shovel that out and then get my roof here. Shovel that out, and then we're gonna go to the R&B and get one of our cars. This is the first time I'm holding this camera and doing this, so forgive me if it's not perfect, but this camera is pretty heavy to hold in one hand and trying to do this mode. But so that's what it is. You can see it's pretty. Look at my roof.